Everyone. I just passed my 12th from Wings Institute. My experience was very good from there. All faculties are supportive, and my experience is very good in studies and other activities also. They are totally with the mentally support and provides all type of support to the students. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Neenal Churana. I am from class 12th Commerce stream from Wings Institute, Jodhpur. I got good percentage because I study in Wings Institute. All staff of this institute is supportive in nature. The faculty of institute is highly qualified and teacher and their way of teaching is extremely good. So I suggest you to please join this institute. Thank you.
विशाल लोढ़ा है और मैं पीछे साइंस बैकग्राउंड में था 11 में और मुझे 12th में कॉमर्स लिखी विंग्स इंस्टीट्यूट से मेरे 65% में यहाँ के गिरीश सर अच्छा अकाउंट्स पढ़ाते हैं और रमेश सर बीएसटी भी अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं। यहाँ स्टाफ अच्छा है, फैसिलिटी सब अच्छी है। थैंक यू।
My name is Dhriti Maheshwari and I study in Wings Institute, the best coaching institute in commerce stream in Jodhpur. The faculty here is very supportive and I have got 90% in my 12th boards in commerce. So all the credit goes to the Wings Institute teachers. Thank you so much.
My name is Pawan Tawar and I have been studying in Wings Institute for the last year. I have scored a very good percentage in class 12 and I recommend everyone join Wings Institute for a better future. The faculty and teachers have been very supporting throughout the year and will guide you throughout every mistakes you learn.
Hello, my name is Bhumika Chauhan and I am from Commerce stream. I studied my 11th and 12th from Wings Institute Jodhpur, and the day since I joined this institute, I have been very comfortable. All the teachers and all my fellow mates are really cooperative and inspirational towards everything. Or their teaching ability and their work and their explanation towards every topic is so comfortable and so easy that I've never had any query up to my exams, and this is the only reason I've got 79.60% in my 12th, and I'm really grateful to Wings Institute Jodhpur, Girish sir, Ambesh sir and all the teachers. Thank you very much.
मैंने विंग्स इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन किया 12th क्लास के लिए। 11th क्लास में मैं साइंस मैथ्स से था, लेकिन जैसे ना मैं बहुत सुना था विंग्स इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में और जैसा मैं सुना था रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आया मेरे 12th में एंड स्टाफ फैकल्टी मेम्बर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, पोलाइट है। थैंक यू।
Hello, my name is Radha Bhatti and I studied Wings Commerce stream from Wings Institute, and I am very thankful to all the teachers of Wings Institute for making my grades so high. The environment of Wings Institute is very good and the teachers are always ready to help us, and they making my score too much higher. I thank to all and I request you all to join the institute for their better future, and thank you.
Hello, I am Vishakha Jain, student of class 12, faculty commerce. I had taken coaching from Wings Institute Jodhpur and secured satisfactory marks. Thanks to the teaching faculty of the institute for their supporting and motivating behavior. I will definitely recommend you all to please join Wings Institute to get your own wings to fly high for your bright future. Thank you.